And by me learning more and acquiring more information, I got a sense of awareness of what I was doing.
So you think your work is pretty calculated then?
Dropbox facilitates that platform. This is over advertisement for Dropbox, but so yeah, that's why I find this to be a remarkable platform. I look forward to coming in, not just your show, just to be part of. Dropbox is this. It's an ambiguous place. It's unpredictable. You can't really predict what you're going to see next. You may see some deep-seated lecture on quantum electrodynamics. Next day, it's some guy, some surrealistic painting, or a guy with a unicorn hat with some music video. So it's a sort of paradigm shift in visual entertainment.
We need that.
Yeah, it could go in any direction. That's why you could walk into Dropbox and watch your ideas germinate to fruition. Just watch it materialize. I think the co-founders does a great job by kind of synergizing what you have intrinsically and sort of manifesting that externally and bringing that to life. It brings your imagination. Dropbox brings a creative person's imagination to life. And it does it in a sort of raw, organic way. Not in an over-professional, it's not in a professional, over-commercialized way. Because when something is over-professional, over-commercialized,
Yeah, absolutely.
there's a high level of inauthenticity to it, right? So it's sort of natural, it's raw, it's organic, and it's also professional, but it's to a level where it kind of really...
It does say something about yourself. This trail that you leave of ideas and thoughts, that is telling in its own way.
Yeah, we are sort of in a situational irony because there is not to crack. This is who I am, my authentic self. There's nothing beyond this point. I can transcend into different dimensions. Yo, you only have freaking joke I'm about to kill!